everyone, today in this video I will teach you how to use the clipping mask. Press Ctrl N to create new file. Here I open the picture. Press Shift and R to make it small. Press Ctrl C to make a copy and press Ctrl F to paste in front. Press Alt to make a copy of it. Press Ctrl G to make a group. Hold the Shift key to select it. Hold Shift key to select both. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.